This cruise left aboard the Carnival Miracle, January the 6th, 2018. Today is January the 11th. We are in room 4230. That's 4th floor aft view. It's amazing. It's relaxing. The cabin does vibrate. There's a little vibration, but it's from the propulsion, the propellers beneath the ship. I find it to be quite relaxing, actually, because I know what it is, and I really do enjoy cruise ships. Fascinated by their size, and so the little vibration is part of the thrill for me, knowing that it's what's making us go. It's wonderful. This is our second day at sea. Our first day at sea was when we left Los Angeles on the 6th of January. The 7th of January was a fun day at sea. The 8th of January was Cabo San Lucas. It was amazing. We went snorkeling. So much fun. And we also did a little shopping and a little food there. It was good. Second day was at Mazatlan. We went to Stone Island. Oh, it was an amazing resort. It was wonderful. So that was really good excursion. As much time as we wanted there. It included food, and we didn't go snorkeling there. But we did the banana boat. We did the kayaking. Good times. This room is amazing. It's got a couch. I don't do bathroom tours. I always find them to be kind of weird. You want to see what the bathroom looks like? Come aboard. It's a bathroom. It's got a toilet. Although I don't show bathrooms, so. But it's got a good TV. I brought my own speaker, so it hooks up in like the headphone jack, and it makes for a really good sound for the TV. Watching movies, and you can hear it better. Otherwise the speakers are on the back of the TV, kind of echo into this little cavity here, but with this speaker here it sounds awesome. So there's a couple stations that play jazz, and it's good. I recommend bringing a small speaker. The couch turns into a bed, but we don't need that. It's just my wife and I, 19 years of marriage. It's our first time doing the 7-day Mexican Riviera. So we got some souvenirs hanging. $10 for a towel, 2 for 20, and that was in Mazatlan. Really good times. Really comfortable bed. Very comfortable. You can kind of see that it shakes a little bit, but a shaking bed isn't so bad. It's good. A little, and it's not. That's at the end of this thing. It's really floppy. Uh-oh, the eyes fell off. Put them back on. One eye, like a pirate. 2 eyes there. So our room steward is really good. Takes good care of us. The ship is beautiful. It's got so many features that other ships I have not seen. My wife's out here chilling. This is what you come for, to relax, and I recommend it. It's exciting to be at the back of the ship. Got that extended balcony. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. What do you think, honey? She says thumbs up. I say thumbs up. And that's me. We love it. We got our gold cards. I'm going to turn it so it's oh yeah. 8th cruise. This is the best one. Riviera. You'll love it. I'm going to get 1 million views off of this video, and I'm going to be earning my next cruise with it. God bless. Bye-bye.